Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync iCUE with Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up the Wallpaper Engine app, and then if you come here to the top right and click on settings, you'll get this pop-up come up, and then here you should see plugins. Now when I click on plugins, you should see the first one automatically be iCUE and Chroma SDK. This one's already loaded. By default, it should be loaded. Just make sure this one is not toggled off. Make sure it's toggled on just like this, and the plugin load delay is actually 0. Then go ahead and click on OK, and then you need to click on OK again. The program will be restarted to apply the settings. So click on OK, it will go ahead and restart, and then you just pick a reactive wallpaper and test out the effect. If it's laggy, you can restart again. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.